I'm fucking.
That shit's crazy.
Let me out of here. Blow my ears off. Holy shit.
You want to sit in here, dude?
Yeah, you know me.
Dude.
I love this, yo.
Oh man, no. I couldn't handle it. I couldn't handle it. All right?
Yeah. Insane, yo. That's insane. Hell, you think you go up and handle it?
You can shut real hard. I have to shut it, otherwise it unloads. Ready?
Oh my god, bro. Oh,
Yeah, go ahead, man.
what you got in there?
415s, 5 SP4s on 4 Crescendo 6Ks.
Is that shut?
Open it and shut it harder. Just slam it. There you go. Ready?
I got 115, but that shit crazy.
Oh yeah,
That
appreciate
sounds
it.
good, man.
Thank you.
Yo, that shit crazy. Nah, I got before I did. Better not tap out before I did.
You ready?
Yeah, holy shit.
That is fucking awesome.
You gotta watch this.
That is fucking.
Oh shit! I thought my nose was gonna come off.
Oh, okay.
God.
You good?
Yeah, thank you.
415s.
He tried his damnedest. He had my old lady's hair standing up over the truck.
Lean forward. If you want it real loud.
Damn, son! Yeah, you got Alan beat. You was definitely holding out on the motherfuckers. Hell yeah, son.
Good?
Yeah, man, that's what was up.
Yeah, you have to pull it up.
That's what's up, homie.
Hey! It's her birthday. Let her in. Let her in.
Get on in there.
Go in. You're here, Joe. Our window down. Hey, roll the window down. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, somebody did.
That bitch is hitting.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, dude. Y'all are mine.
Oh, you
I don't want no more of that. I was taking my breath away. I was already
I'm
smoking
telling
this
you,
shit.
you gotta hold it.
Yeah, that's dope, bro.
You good?
Yeah.
You keep it shut, you keep it open.
They said that it was on the meter and it was 110 from over here. So where the meter was.
So I didn't get a video last time I was able to get in.
Alright, you can shut it a little harder, sorry. Do you want it with the window up then?
Yeah.
All right.
Bro, it don't matter, dude.
I'll do window up. Ready? That good? That's 64s. Loud, just wave or whatever.
Okay. I'm half deaf anyway, so. What's up?
Pretty hard?
Yeah.
That's insane.
Insane?
That's crazy.
You good?
Yeah, man. Thank
You guys show ready
Let
now.
me get this smoke.
you. That's nuts. 415s on 4 6,000 watt amps.
4 6,000 watts.
Yeah.
I'll push 4 12s with 4,000 watts. I'm gonna be bridging my 1,000.
Yeah, that was like one. God, I'm gonna cry. I'm sorry. I haven't heard
Do
that.
you want me to clip it on you or you want me to just
Oh
give it?
God, I don't know if I can. Wait, what?
I never clip.
It's
so
easier back here, right?
Way
Yes.
easier.
Yeah, okay.
Put your head right here.
No, I did that last time to cry.
3 dB difference. 3 dB difference. Alright, I'll give you one knob for clipping. If I put it to 55, I clip. 54 is not clipping.
Roll into it, please.
Oh, I always. Pretty good.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah, everybody said it's the loudest 415s they ever sat in. I mean-
that's still the same ones.
There, I haven't changed anything. Yeah, I got where I wanted.
Wait.
Most. Pretty good.
Like y'all some bottoms up.
Holy shit. I mean, just like,
That's insane, man.
and it's smooth too. It's not all and all that. I like that. And
All right, you ready for some more?
yeah, do it.
I'm gonna put it up.
Yeah. This ought to be nice. Good morning.
You can't just bail out.
Appreciate it.
Shit.
How the hell I get out of here?
I mean, it just like grabbed you right here, and I was like, wait a minute, I'm about to have a heart attack? Whoa. That's cool, dude.
I'm fucking.
That shit's crazy.
Let me out of
That's a good one.
Holy shit! Oh fuck, dude! Oh shit! Woo! All right, Greg, go ahead. Greg, go ahead. You gotta hear it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey, I was getting comfortable there for a second, and he just turned it right up. I was like, oh shit!
Ready? Yeah. Lean forward a little bit. That'll give it. Huh? It does it. This is just a little better. All right, ready? All right.
Are you okay?
Yeah. How do I get out?
Yeah, it's oh my god.
My eyes are watering.
Your face is like completely.
All right. All right. Yeah, you're good, man.
I just got a Tahoe, so I'm probably about to do like 412s or something.
Okay.
A little bit bigger.
Nice.
I just don't know what I want to do. Like, part of me wants to do like 218s or 415s like this.
Walled or no wall? What are you trying to do? No wall? Probably 415s over 218s. But it depends on what your budget is too. I'm gonna do it. You ready? You wanna hear
Yeah.
it real quick? All right.
Then I want to hear some low.
I'll do that after.
I was trying so hard.
It's alright. It's pretty bad, yeah.
Well,
Hey, I could tell you were trying to fight
Yeah, I
it.
was trying, dude.
You're trying to.
I gotta get used to it.
is that what you want?
Not that much.
It's too much, dude. There's no way.
Not that much for a daily.
Yeah.
The,
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.